The starters on your screens for the FEU Lady Tamaraws. And she will go up against Angge Poyos. UST, of course, with a winning streak and then halted. That kind of a game partner will do to their confidence, while UST...
It will do big.
Okay.
Because I asked Ju what she said, diba? I said, are they thinking about home court advantage for UST or the fact that they lost in 3 sets? No.
Right.
They're high off the win.
Yes, I'm sure. And if our previous game in the men's, the UST FEU game, is any indication, parang hati-hati din yung tao, partner. Although, as we know, home court.
Right.
Netong mga Tigresses, Encarnacion has done an incredible job, and we got a long rally right away to kick off this game as Perdido is looking for a touch, not given.
That is our Sunsilk courtside report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Now back to you, Boom and Pongay.
Thank you very much as Flat Loresco finds the corner open for FEU.
Coming off an excellent defense from Lovely area for a middle to score off of.
Combination play! Ang ganda ng hatak ni Bron. Lovely Lopez, the hero. One of the many heroes of the last game.
Correct. A lot of them contributed.
Yeah. Devosora has checked. Encarnacion with the pickup. That's one of the heroes also of FEU. Penullar! Denied! Huling-huli yung takbo niya, partner. Lucille Ciliado Mukong, ano bang panahon?
No. And we were scouting the arena with also their players.
Yes.
Either in the pros or,
Yes.
supporting also their former collegiate teams.
Papakita natin mamaya yan. In the meantime, Lopez is dug by Perdido. Reg with a push. Pepito was there. And a chance for FEU to set. They go to Lopez again. High hands. Carvalho shoots it. Penullar will try again. Di isinit. Lopez again. Off speed. Carvalho will go to Angge. Angge will go down the line. Apologizes to Fido. Great sportsmanship. Their licks today. And a spike of the set brought to you by Duncan. Pasalubong ng bayan. Look at that. If you can see it. Kasi bilis eh.
Well, the defense of both...
Tao, as a middle blocker, you...
Babasahin mo muna yung pasa.
Okay.
If it's good, you have to watch the middle. But it doesn't necessarily mean you jump.
Correct.
You're just ready.
Yes.
You also have to observe the tendencies of the setter. Wow!
What an angle from Red Jurado.
She doesn't get set as much kasi she is on top of Nitura. But the difference is, 94 lang yung attacks niya compared kay Nitura. Meaning she doesn't get enough.
Pero yung efficiency ang taas.
Exactly.
Yeah. And she gets one here. Combination play! Encarnacion. So disappointed with herself because she couldn't...
Look at that one more time. Jurado with the perfect pass. And she was there.
She was
She
right
took
there.
one step.
Kahit na halos anong sport, by the way, they really try to watch an FEU game. Oh, by the way, 5-0 run by UST.
Dito kami nag-quarantine kasi
Yes.
for the championship kami. I had 2 years in this specific court.
That's why I wanted to highlight it.
Ayun yung fun fact
You're
mo for
cute,
that
ah.
challenge.
Thanks for telling us. But right now, 6 making the adjustment here on tap.
She's currently 5th in serving.
And yun na. That was another good serve. Grabe yung vertical niya. Another one. Oh no! It's like a replay.
Take a look at that. Heavy serve and the excellent timing.
Great feeling for them. So we begin the second set with FEU behind a set. Boom Gonzalez, Pongay Gaston. Thank you very much for checking us out. One Sports Plus, the UAP Varsity Channel, and of course, the Pilipinas Live app all over the world. Oh, Encarnacion was there, and so was Pepito. Pinilit ni Carvalho. Hinanapan ng paraan ni Angge Poyos. And they still score off a net scratch.
Alam ko ko kasi hirap silang basahin ako, lalo sa drop ball ko. Kaya kapag sinasabi sa akin na be aggressive, alam ko na agad. That self-awareness translates to her playmaking on the court. So during timeouts, all Coach Shaq needs to do is remind her of their plays.
I don't think she anticipated the kind of set that was coming towards her.
Overpass again. Poyos. Ooh. Coverage by Det. And an easy ball here for FEU. Encarnacion jump set to Bacanque. Perdido stops that ball. What a set by Carvalho. Lopez was there. Ubaldo mababa. Penullar humingi. Penullar has 4. Braun has 4. Poyos, look at the numbers so far. Bacanque. Doug. Good reaction by Jurado. Naiset pa kay Perdido. Another get there by Poyos. And it is Perdido who puts it away. Yun yung mga gusto ng mga coach, that when the players respond right away, a side out kagad.
Because if they don't respond, matatapos yung set.
Yeah. And another Perdido point. Nakikita mo pa talaga parang wala pang confidence, parang wala pa yung timing from being out.
Wala pa yung rhythm.
Wala yung rhythm
Just
talaga.
getting back in the game.
And I'm sure mentally, partner, di ba, from an injury. Jurado! Whoa, what a massive swing!
I think it changes
Okay,
over time.
okay.
Iba sa Ateneo,
Okay.
iba sa UST, iba sa Chocomucho,
Right.
Cherry, and ano pa ba? Sabihin ko lahat ng teams ko. Capital. It's really, I'll tell you in a bit.
Wow! Bacanque is coming alive here. Pepito receives. Back to Reg. What an angle by Jurado. Well, it was a bit lower set for her. Negosora receiving. Ooh, what a tough set by Miranda. It's a risky set because nabasa. That's Reg Jurado flying in 24-17. 7 set points for UST here. Carvalho chooses Poyos. Centennial Pavilion. Angge Poyos leading all scorers with 11. Some other players, Ishi Lalong Isip, Shelly Tagaod, Laika Ebon, they're all in attendance. Somewhere in the crowd, kanina merong mga players formerly
Carrying the final reminder of Coach Yanni Fernandez, wala kayong ibang iisipin ngayon kundi mananalo kayo. That is our Sunsilk Courtside Report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair.
Talk about Reg Jurado first. Her service error, just as you mentioned the error. Back inside the QPAV here in UST and the home team. Up by 3 here. Brought to you by Duncan Pasalubong ng Bayan. Lovely Lopez.
You're gonna need a lot more.
That's another great set by Carvalho on the combo play. Penullar has 5, Perdido has 7.
There you go.
Jurado with 10, and of course Poyos with 12. Everybody happy so far, so far. And even the blocking is working for UST. It is down to 2. Asis is shouting there at the net.
We love it. Let them know who's spiking.
Oh, what a get by Encarnacion. Another chance here for UST. Carvalho chooses Jurado. Tina Salak wanted to join in the action. Trying to shake off another kind of monkey after the NU game. And everything going the way of FEU here with a 5-point lead, 18-13. Dula receiving. Poyos denied again. It's back with the FEU side. That's going to drop in.
The matchup, it's Faida versus Angge.
Yeah. Two very different players. Back-to-back hits by Angge. UST here.
Loving the shimmy from Lovely.
Bumalik na yung mga sigla. Ito naman ang hindi nawala, yung palo ni Angge. But right now, it's only her. All over the world, by the way, on the Pilipinas Live app and the UAP Varsity channel on Signal TV. And that is a very bad sign for you.
Need to hear from Jurado also on this set.
Chance here for UST to counter. Jurado gets the block breaker to go. 13 points for Red.
Error?
Ganun, ha?
You know what I mean?
May emphasis ka talaga.
Yes.
Poyos. And an emphasis on power.
Into the set, each player chanted, "Kaya ko," trusting that in this set they can recover and finish this match. That is our Sunsilk courtside report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Now back to you, Boom and Pongay.
Thank you very much, Sydney, your team.
Gula coming in to serve for Poyos. We love to see it.
Pepito again with the get. Perdido with a swing. Lopez from behind and a push. Carvalho decides to go to Enekwe. That's a great block, but the play is still alive. Ubaldo sets up Deposora. And USD closes the door. Pepito sends it to Jonah. Jonah scores. Perdido flying with so much confidence today. Leg looks like she's cramping a little bit the way they're stretching her there on the bench. Bacanque off the soft block. Counter attack. Jurado. FEU gets a touch. Bacanque with a too soft of an attack.
Gula, who will come in a small but high leaper.
Daming ganyan sa UST talaga.
Yes. Height, not a problem for them.
Not a problem. A problem for other teams. Oh, here we go. Rally ongoing. Lopez off the rebound. The chop by Perdido. And Bacanque denies Saisagula of entry.
Nowhere to go.
6-point lead. They still have a little cushion here. Poyos receiving. Balingit. And another scratch. Number 6. Let's look at this. Yeah.
Where is the net fault?
On the way down. There. That. Yeah, you're right. You are very right. So the upper. Good first ball. Great blocking by UST there. Jurado coming back. A run that ended that set and just blindsided UST. So UST gotta stay sharp. While FEU, sabi nga ni Coach Tina, di imposible. 1 point at a time.
Ooh.
That's the first part of that timeout. Serving 13-20. Reverse Pinabawi. Good touch there by Bacanque. Oh, and Braun sends it back the sender. Braun today.
In the sequence since she's come back in.
Correct. Overpass again. Pero nakuha ng FEU. Pepito will set it up. Ubaldo will dig. Bacanque will swing. Up top. Pepito, dig pass. Poyos! Bumalik! FEU side to attack now. Lopez with the hit out. No! It's actually a hit back in. Party
was crucial in that third set.
The comeback from an energy standpoint. 2 straight points. 2 match point save. Good first pass. Good coverage by Pepito. Back to Poyos. Nandun na naman ang block ng FEU. Sa kabila din nila. Oh! And that's it.
Drop shot is good for the
UST gets the winning point. Courtesy of Reg Jurado, who shows her soft side